Now, I understand most people have been wondering on how you can put your funds and you get some return, and it's in the form of that is you call it an investment. So basically, you could have decided to put your money into areas such as the bonds market. That is where you buy bonds from the government or a company. So I don't want to go back to explain much about that for now. So you can also decide to go to buy some company shares or stock. So this one you can do through the stock exchange. So here in Kenya we have the Nairobi Stock Exchange, and now you can also decide to go for what we call another class, the money market funds. So this is a very, very good platform for the money market funds for you if you don't have enough money or funds in your account. Why am I saying so? Because one, if it's you are able to have even there are some companies even that provide some minimum investment of 2,000 shillings, and these platforms allow you to withdraw your money at any time. That is if maybe you invest your money today, you can be able to withdraw it even after a day or even after 24 hours. And but basically you also need to look at the company policies that some have. So but the good point is that you can be able to withdraw your money very fast in such cases as compared to cases of maybe the shares market where you have had some shares. You might experience some challenges in selling your shares. When you come to the bond market, the same case, because some bonds mature from 6 months time, 1 year's time, and the likes. So at the end of the day, if you are a person who is starting some investment, you are there, you are not wondering, you don't have enough capital, you don't have a capital whereby you can say that you expect a very high return. At least if you have something like 3,000 shillings, put it there in the money market funds. At the end of the day, you are going to experience a return instead of just having money in a particular place without giving you a return. So because one, savings are not good and are not a very good form of investment. At the end of the day, very little you are going to get on savings. And you understand that some platforms you cannot withdraw some money into your from your savings account. And now the good thing in the money market funds, this is money you can be able to utilize at any time. Mostly if you are faced with an emergency or the likes, you can let's say an emergency, you can be able to withdraw your money as soon as possible. So there are many companies in Kenya that deal with that. We have the likes of Etika, we have the Senton of KCB, we have the Zimele. So there are many places that you can put your funds. And so I would recommend, if you are going to start in somewhere, put your money in the money market funds. And then for those who have what we call the heavy capital or heavy funds, then you can do a combination, because one, you don't want to put all your risk in a particular area, because if you do so, then you are a person who becomes like a speculator. People who expect that if a particular price in an investment rises, they decide to sell it, and if it goes down, they decide to buy a particular investment, and sometimes they do not take into questions about the risks of a particular investment. So starting small, start with the money market funds.